So we checked the mail today, and it looks like Under the Sea Collectibles had followed through. And what did they send us?
The Loungefly Muses Wallet.
All right. Was it in the mailbox or was it on the porch?
It was in the mailbox.
Who sent it? UPS? USPS?
I believe UPS dropped it off.
All right. Very good.
All right, here you go.
Very good. So it was packed in, was it a bubble wrap envelope?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, very good. And we have our plastic.
Let me have to get my scissors again. Yeah, I got my scissors.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's Muse on the front. And that's the same as the pocket on the backpack.
Right.
And the stamps on the back.
Good. We have the same. I see the embellishments there in the corners. Very good. Nice. Oh, I like the center.
Yep. And then big packet for your money.
And both sides of those are lined.
And then for your cards.
Very good.
Change part.
Yeah. And again, both
Also
sides.
lined. Yep.
Yeah, very good. It looks like it was a really good shape too, which is good. Any final kind of review there of it?
I like it a lot more than what I thought I was going to. Because when I bought it, when I got the wallet, like immediately right after I placed my order, I was like, oh, I shouldn't have got the wallet. Just because I thought the wallet was too similar to the backpack. Like I would have liked it if it looked a little bit different. But now that I do have it in person, I do like it a lot more.
Very good.
And the day that we got the backpack and the wallet was missing from it, I wrote to Under the Sea Collectibles, and they got back to me in an email right away, and they told me that they were shipping the wallet the next day.
Yeah, so kudos to them. Very good.
Yep.
That was excellent. All right, so you would go the distance for these, you would say?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, very good. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe. Tink that bell for any notifications. Share our videos with any of your Disney friends and family. That way we can build our channel and help to, again, help you guys out with any of your Disney needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.